So you want to do some Khan Academy? Great way to pick up some points in class. Sorry, I'm eating a cracker. All right. So here's the Khan Academy website. Go to khanacademy.org. Assuming you've signed in, right? Then you're going to go up here and you're going to go to Profile. Kind of hidden there. Profile. All right. Takes you to your profile page, which is where I was to begin with. I'm going to go over here into the middle to Assignments. And once you see Assignments, you'll have a list of assignments that are upcoming, things you can still do for credit, and a list of assignments that are past. Ask me about past assignments. So sometimes they might be worth credit. Sometimes I just haven't deleted them yet. Don't think you're going to get points for it unless I've already told you that I'm still accepting those. Eating another cracker there. Okay. Most Khan Academy assignments are worth either 4 points or 7 points, one or the other. This one got an 86%, which means it was a 7-point problem, and I got 6 out of 7. Try and do it again. See if I can get 7 out of 7. You can always redo the assignment for a better score if you want. Khan Academy assignment, they'll be due at each test day. You can do them as many times as you want before then to get the maximum score out of them that you can. Plus, if you ever have any trouble with these, you can always, of course, ask me. But you can also watch videos online that take hints. There's lots of help on Khan Academy. Lots of options. All right, that's Khan Academy.